it's Mahrez. Plays a clever pass. Keeper's ball. And now they can launch a counter. Forward it goes. Cabora. Traore. Oh, that's nice. Traore. And here's Traore. Finds himself eased off the ball. That's just very